Okay, I just got my other lights from Amazon. These are the outdoor lights. They're kind of like a spotlight. You can see here, they have a lot of different LEDs. These come in various colors. You can get the off-white, the bright white light, and this one here is actually the multicolor. There's going to be a little button right here where you can press in, and I think there's 6 different modes on here. I'll have to look again, but there's multi-modes on here. And, you know, for different holidays, if you want to celebrate like Valentine's Day or St. Patrick's Day, you can change them to those different colors. I'm going to start out with the cool white. It's a 6000K light. And pretty much these are really straightforward. There's a protective coating on the front. Peel that off. Now, some of these I peeled off the top, but the directions actually say you can leave this on. It's still going to recharge and everything like that. But they said it'll actually make it last longer. So some I took off and some I left on. Finally, just put the post in here. They also come with screws. There's holes right there. That way, if you have to put them into like a deck or something or like a railing, you can actually just screw them right into your deck. But again, I'm just putting these into the ground and I'm going to shine up against the house. So again, as soon as it's going to get dark, we're going to go out and check them out, see what they look like. So I just got these, so I have no clue what they're going to look like, but they do have a lot of LEDs. So I'm sure that's going to be pretty bright. Not only does it make your house look nice, it's also great for security features. A well-lit house is going to deter people. So I think that's going to sum this part up. And let's head outside as soon as it gets dark. So before it gets dark, here I went into a dark bedroom and I can actually turn these on so you can see. Again, these are pretty bright. We have red, blue, green. This is like a purple color. We have, this is the real bright white. It's a 6000K. And then finally, yellow. Actually, the last one, it changes all the different colors, I believe. Yeah. So on the last setting, it'll actually go through the whole color cycle. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it slowly goes through the whole color cycle. And then if you want to shut them off, just hit the button again. Pretty simple. And again, the button is just on the back side right here, just so you can see that. And I didn't even charge these. That was just me from holding them in the light while I was recording this. That charges really quick. Now, granted, the longer the sunlight that's on here, the longer it's going to last throughout the night. So let's head outside. I'll show you what they look like against the house. It's just starting to get dark now, but again, you can see just how bright these are. Nice blue. Let me start over again so you can see that. Got the red. And it's just starting to get dark, but you can see how much that shines up there. Got the blue. That looks pretty cool, especially next to the pool. Got the green. This one here is like a, I guess that's like a pinkish purple. That's the white, which I showed you before. That's harder to tell right now. Again, this isn't like pitch dark. Got the yellow. And this is going to be the multicolor. I'll just let that stay there just so you can see it go through the full cycle. There's green. There's blue. I think it goes to white next, and then yellow. Pretty cool. I think that's all of them there. Go to the white. And here's some of the other lights I bought too. That's in another video. Come over to this one. You can see how much that shines up on there. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it.